back with another video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys, what's up with this? I don't know, what's up? I actually have a crick in my neck. I slept on my neck wrong and there's nothing worse than that. But for today's video guys, I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. I did one of these videos like 2 months ago and you guys seem to really like it because it's doing well on the channel, so I decided to do a updated what's in my bag for you guys. So before we get started with today's video, if you're not a part of the Kim J fam, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family because I'd be glad to have you a part of it. And don't forget to hit that ding dong bell so you never miss a thing on the channel. Let's get right into the video. So guys, this is my backpack. Her name is Billie Jean. Can you guess why? So just kidding, her name is not Billie Jean, but I'm thinking about naming her Billie Jean because she is like this really cute like denim jean color. She is really beautiful. I love this bag. This was a grad present and I've been using it a lot since I got it because it's really cute, and it being this color you would think it wouldn't go with a lot, but with denim it looks really good, obviously. And I really love this material that it's made out of. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this material right here is really easy to clean. I don't know why, but when I see this texture or this material, it makes me think of like a refrigerator. I don't know why, unless you have a stainless steel, but it reminds me of that material that's kind of like hard like this, but it's still really cute and easy to clean. So that is always the perfect thing for a backpack and a purse. So this is my backpack right here. This is a Coach backpack. Don't know the name of this backpack right off the top of my head, so I'll pop it up on the screen and I will try to link it in the description down below. If I can't find my exact backpack, I will put one that is similar. But we're gonna start by opening this small compartment right here, and I really like how this is already shaped like a pencil box or whatever, so you can use this for school if all your stuff will fit in here. And you can put like pencils and stuff in here, or you can use this as a backpack purse, which is obviously what I use it for. So let's go into this little zipper compartment right here and let's see what is in there. The first thing that is inside this small compartment is my Pocket Pack Bath and Body Works Watermelon Lemonade hand sanitizer. I don't have a case of this hand sanitizer, but this is a watermelon lemonade. It smells really good. I have the lotion and the fragrance mist to this, but not the candle. You would think I would have got the candle first, but I did not. The next thing inside of here is pens. You always need a pen. I have a like burnt orange pen, a turquoise teal pen, a light blue pen, a like copper / gold-ish brown pen, and a hot pink neon pink pen. And then I have this pen. It's like a plain black pen, but it's also like one of those little like things you can use to use your phone at the end of it right here. I've actually forgot where I got this from, but yep. I have my keys, and I also have in here my Tarte lip stain in the shade Berry. It's really cute. I really do like this, and I find it ironic how this one is like in my favorite like maroonish color, and then it has like the palm trees on it. You guys know how obsessed I am with like Los Angeles and just like, I don't know, I just really love palm trees. Really cute. Got these for my birthday. I have 4 of them, but this is my favorite one to use. The last thing I have in here is an allergy tablet because, you know, achoo. And that was everything inside of this small pocket right here. So we're just gonna get into the big compartment next. So the first thing inside the big compartment is obviously my Steve Madden wallet. I got this for Christmas 2018. I still use this a lot, but I want to get one that like matches my bag and just get like a plain one. So hopefully back to school season is coming up, so hopefully they have some sales on this kind of stuff so I can cop me a new one. But inside of here I just have my cards, identification, all of that stuff. The next thing I have in here is actually my 365-day devotion book. I really do love this book. It's really awesome. They gave it to us in our like on senior Sunday, which is where they celebrate the people who are graduating that year. My church gave us all these books and I really do like it. It's basically like scriptures and stories from the Bible, and then it just kind of explains it using like modern day scenarios so you can better understand it. And there's 365 days, so you're supposed to read a page a day, but we got it obviously like 2 months ago, so I've been reading like maybe 2 or 3 pages a day. I actually have not read for today yet, so I'll probably do that after I finish filming this video. The next thing inside of here is actually my planner, and this is a 2019-2020 planner. It just has good vibes on it, and it's totally my aesthetic. It has this like blue background to it, and then it has like palm trees on it, and it's really, really cute. I couldn't start using it until this month because it started this month, so I wasn't using one up until now. It's really, really cute. It's called the Happy Planner. That's the brand that it came from. I don't really know where this one came from, but it's a cute one. It's adorable. The last thing that's in like the big part, like in the like outer part, is a monologue that I have been practicing, and it is Real Again by Joseph R. Noon. I think that's how you pronounce his name. And in case you guys didn't know, I'm actually getting into acting. It's been my dream since I was 10 years old, so you only live one life, so pursue what it is that you want to do in life, because, you know, just do it. So maybe one day you guys will see me in something, hopefully. So that's everything that was in like the outer part of the bag, like inside here, but there's like a little small zipper. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like a little small zipper at the back right here, so I'm gonna go in there and see what's in there. The first thing that's in there is my little Kate Spade dust bag. I wore my watch the day that I used this bag, one of the days. And in case, if you are an OG on my channel and you saw what I got for my birthday, I think that was 2018, my sister actually got me this Kate Spade watch. It's just like hot pink and has like gold accents, and it's really, really cute, and it's really special to me because she got it for me. And then it also came with the earrings to match. I actually wore these earrings in my back to school clothing haul video from last year, so really, really cute. Really, really adorable. And whenever I like wear my watch, I always try to take this in case it gets irritating and I want to take it off, because it's been hot. So you know, sometimes it can be irritating to have something like on your wrist all day, or when it's really, really hot outside. So I like to carry this in case I want to like put it in a safe place, and I don't want to just put it in my bag because I don't want anything to happen to it. So I just carry this around too whenever I wear the earrings or the watch. The next thing that's in that pocket is my Coach Care Instructions card. Never took that out of here. And then I also have a Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelette in the singles. I actually really do love these. They're so like small. You can take one and use one. Then having like a whole package to have to like take one out of the little circle thing, it's kind of difficult for me. So I really do love these. They come in like one of those like resealable baggy things or whatever. They sell them at Target and Walmart. I think they retail for like $5.98 or something like that. You get 20 of them for $5, so I think that's pretty decent. The next thing that's in here is my Tarte Mini Pro To Go palette. I don't know why this is in here, but really, really cute. Definitely love this palette. It's really, really cute. I want the full one because I wanted to like try it out to see if I would like the shades in here, but I pretty much love the shades, and I've seen the shades in the big one in person, so I really want to get it. Hopefully I'll get it really, really soon, but yeah. And then I also have a Rimmel London mascara. This is the Wonder Lash mascara. This is actually a waterproof mascara too, so that's cool. And the last and final thing in that little small zip was this Lip Smacker Coca-Cola Cherry lip balm thing. These are really, really, really cute. They sell these in Target. They have a Sprite one too, and I think a Fanta one or Sunkissed one. I really want to get the rest of them because I think they're so cute. Basically, you just open the top of it, and like this part right here is the lip balm, and on the inside there's not really anything inside of it. Really, really, really cute. I think these are like $2 or $3. Really adorable. Really love these. So guys, that was everything inside of my backpack. Comment down below what was your favorite thing that was inside of my backpack, and also comment down below the weirdest thing that you carry in your backpack. I really want to know. Sorry, I'm nosy. I apologize. But if you guys liked today's video, give it a big old thumbs up, and if you want me to do more of these videos, comment down below or just simply like this video. And if you're not a part of the Kim J fam, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family, because I'd be glad to have you a part of it. And don't forget to hit that ding dong bell so you never miss a thing on the channel. And also, don't forget to be happier, because a happier you is a better version of you. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Bye guys.